Home Remedies presents.
This honey ginger wrap will eliminate mucus from the lungs in one night. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I'm Rabia, and in today's video, I will share with you a natural, safe alternative to regular cough medication, which is affordable and easy to make. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information. And without any more wait, let's start. Honey effectively relieves the symptoms of acute coughs due to upper respiratory tract infections and reduce the frequency of coughs and severity of these symptoms. This remedy can be applied to adults and children over 5 years of age, as honey is not safe for children under the age of 1. In order to start the process, it's important that using natural ingredients like raw honey are more beneficial for the hack to work. You can combine the ginger wrap with honey in order to see the effects almost overnight. Let's see how to make this natural remedy, which will help you treat congestion and coughs. You will need 1 tablespoon fresh ginger or ginger powder, organic pure honey, organic coconut oil gently melted, 1 teaspoon coconut flour, gauze napkin, paper towel or handkerchief, adhesive medical tape, cheesecloth. Instructions: make a paste by mixing honey and coconut flour and make sure it is no longer sticky. Then add a bit of melted coconut oil and ginger powder. Add more flour if needed. And then spread the paste onto the chosen material, napkin, gauze, etc. Next, wrap it in cheesecloth and place it on the chest. Secure with the medical tape and put on your night dress. For adults, this wrap can make you sweat more than usual and it can be kept overnight. However, since children have sensitive skin, the wrap should be kept on for only 3 hours before going to bed. The wrap has no negative effects that a cough syrup has, and it will clear out the mucus in the lungs during the night. So in the morning, you can feel much better without a pesky cough. Also, it does the job much quicker than the cough syrup. You will experience relief even after the first treatment. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.